Here we go.
Throw down your knowledge in the news and I will hang off every word you say. You never saw a kid when I was here, but now I shine. How she disguising and despising under my pressure hurts, however, I think you'll be okay. Me, I live a sort of dreaming, clouds are creaming, hey baby, love my way. You sit and stare into the air and watch me fly. Fill up a bottle to the brim and let me swim in a tango. Hey stranger, I think I'll be okay. 'Cause I don't want the brother, only one, and I will kill you lover. And we was meant together until I get another. I'll always ask you woman why? Just don't you die. You call my feeling broken, I'll smash my head right open. Place your head deeply within and feel my head beating. So come on, jump on my friend, I'll make your misery and and I went far. It's cold and silent, no one's crying, it was all show. We know why. And my magician apparition and in between. And if you don't want to believe in anything, okay, hey baby, I think we're in a dream. I think you'll be in me. 'Cause I don't want the brother, only one, and I will kill you lover. Yeah, we was meant together until I get another.
till the moon becomes the sun. And in the taxi home, I'll sing you a Trippid song.
Can't put a name to my face, so go take me to the place where I feel nothing at all. Fix me up, watch me crawl. Right, these things that go, woo, yeah. There little things that go, woo, yeah. These things that go, now your drugs keep me fed. I'm just a loser in your bed, so make the best of what's left. Right, these things that go, woo, yeah. The little things that go, woo, yeah. Right up those things that go, woo, yeah. Right up things that go, woo, yeah. Right up things that go, I'm a lost soul. I'm a lost soul. I'm an asshole. These things that go, woo, yeah. The little things that go, woo, yeah. Right up those things that go, woo, yeah. Right up things that go, woo, yeah. Right, the things that go. Now you take me to the place.
Do you say that 'cause you don't know any better? Don't you know you gotta let her have her way? And do you say that to make yourself feel better? Breaking words into letters in your own way. I hate to say I told you so, but I told you so, but I told you so. And I hate to say I told you so, but I told you so, but I told you so. Do you say that 'cause you don't know any better? Don't you know you gotta let her have her way? And do you say that to make yourself feel better? Breaking words into letters